Hey beautiful people, today we have portal upgrade. We have an 8-8 portal. And 8 is the number for abundance, power, balance, endings, manifestation, and self-mastery, and karmic endings. And if you that's the good side of the number 8, but there's you can call it a shadow side as well. And it's the opposite of all the things I've mentioned. It's, for instance, material. What is the name just disappeared? Material insecurity and power struggles and not being in balance, fear of loss, and have the need to control things and the outcome of something. And it's about repeating karmic cycles, as well as when you come to this time of year, I'm going to take another year in this karmic cycle with this issue, or something I can't say no to. But there's always good things in it and shadow things in it, and it's not to punish us, but to reveal itself to us so we can do something about it. And today we have a very, very powerful upgrade, because we have total much lion energy, and the lion is an animal who is big and it raw and it's very, very powerful. It is. And if you take the number 8 and lie it down, you have the infinity sign. And it's a sign that is in a lot of wedding rings as well. Infinity love. I think it's so beautiful and romantic as well. But no matter what you have, a lot of energy, if it's the shadow side of the 8 or if it's a whole bunch of good things of the 8 numbers, this light language healing will help you whatever you need. So if you're in a loop of something, this light language help you out of the loop so you can continue in a new and much better cycle. And as always, just let go, and let even more go. And for those of you who don't know what light language healing is, I can tell you it's a multi-dimensional language, and it sounds like nonsense, but your heart, soul, and energy field know what I'm talking about and start a very powerful healing process. And let go, it's like if you see yourself as a house, it opens door and let all the dirt out, clean out the closet and put light in, so you have room for more good energies than the heart energies in you. And you can see the light language healing with your eyes open, or you can close your eyes and just listen to it. But I'll do some light language finger signs as well, and some people have benefits of that also. And you can try both, see what works best for you, with your eyes open, with your eyes closed. Yeah, I think I'll start now. So just have the intention to let go of whatever you're ready to let go of. And I start cleaning your root chakra, where your foundation is and your fear of death and uncertainty is, and your root to the earth. So if you're needing grounding, there can be a blockage in there. And I'll help you remove it so you can ground yourself. Chure kuat at nada sat nada cheat. Guarde bin bat sat nada sat num. Chudu kuat tik the can take tut it dat. Gude chudu tut tu kuat at seat a sat a karakat sat nun. Ude kede karakat sat nada sin tut. Ude katnar at sat nurun. Kuat de kid at sa. Sirar. Quande. Sudnada sat ni need. And I'm cleaning your chakra, where your happiness and joy is, and where you start ideas and make them come true. Your creative center. Guarda de inda sakat at tur. Ida barakat nat sat nat at set nukur ot et sat nat at fike on to kuku ida ada satakit ne intikira atto. And so katakataki uchiki uret in the sakata set net at sat nat at sim tika at tuat at se nin. And I'm cleaning your solar plexus, where ego lives, and your willpower and your feelings. So if you have any blockage there, let it go. Chun krut ut at sat nat at chi utsira an kur. Kurdi it sat nat at sim it unchira ara. Kurdi it sat nat at sim chi arire. Kurdi inda kurta satna sitnar at sat kurdi ida fata asat nin. Surde erda arte inde berbarkara at sitnar asin hur. Shiru urda sira at nisiert. And I'm going to clean your heart chakra, your balance center. That combines the higher chakras with the lower chakras, and your inner woman and your inner man is combined in heart chakra as well. And if you have any heart issues, heartbreaks, or something who is giving you heart energy in that area, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Shurkut utsut tutu utotsen tier at in. Kurde ida atsatna atsen ursiar. Ukiera un. Ukiera asir. Ida kur it fart atsen atsir. Ure kiera arde kine ursekin ats. Hire kiera arsit ne arsit erdo o kierda ardi find uche. Kurda ardi indna arhit at abind urt. Hura kiera arsat nar kierda arde ida sudnura at iert. Hurdi ida hom. Kierda karna atsier. Kurdi in the ardi ur. And I'm going to clean your theme chakra. It's between the heart chakra and the throat chakra, and it has a turquoise color. It has had something to do with your spiritual, physical, and psychic health. And it's helping us in this crazy time where we get more and more energy in, we take it in, and we get higher in our energies. And when we vibrate higher, our organs and our body is at a different level as our mind is at first, but then it will find a balance. And then that's why your body, when you get super high in your energy, it can all hurts. If you have broken your leg for a long time ago, you can feel pain in it because it's vibrating in a higher vibration now, and then it let go of all the broken legs symptoms and stuff you can carrying around. So it's helping you in this ascension time. So whatever you have in there, let it go. Tjure atsier an. Tju agier ode. Sudekut atsatnat ik Gode dikin kat siert at nit sur. Sudekut buat itsar. Kierde de gurdi idasa. Sudekut irda an. Orde id. Orde ano. Kurdi ida satnat aser. Uridi kira ura satnat im. Kurdi ia. Hurada ard. Kurdi ida satnakar ut it ord. Kurdi indu kud ut sud nur. Kirda ardi indu sun. Kurdi ida satnakir ut ord. Kurdi ida sarakar kisia. Kursi kiki ura. Kirda karta kira kur ir. I'm going to clean your throat chakra. It has something to do with communication. And if you have any pain issues with your mouth or your jaws and your neck and your throat, maybe you bite something in you. Is there something you need to say but you can't? Let it go. Kurdu utsut nud ad. Kurdi in the fatakar it ur. Urde in hukuk usit ar. Kurdi in the fikut usuru kurukura at nidasum. Kira karakarasakit udesid kurta. Kurdi in a batnut utsword. In kart arfetnar okura atse. Impikit utnudasar. Now I'm going to clean your third eye. Your spiritual eye, where you can see different kind of colors, angels and auras. If you have anything stuck, negative energies in there, let it go. Should ut kur tat at tintur. Inkata at tinditi kit usut ut nir. Gurdi it katnat satnat at sikit chun argere. Kinta sokuru chi anene. Sudukurukura at the bi. Kut ad nia. Uredi kit kut uard. Indikit nat at sat near da adekit ufir. Horde in the sutnud at sar. Gerdo unde sure de arti in de kudesarer. Horde ira asid. Gurde ira at nuar. Orde kiende asatnar. Kit utsur a. Kit usut nuda. Kit utsut kwe in. Id arkatnar asir. Horde ia. Indikia sadne ene sine ord. Guardasa. I'm going to clean your crown chakra, where you take information down as well and light from the universe. And if you feel like you have something pressing on your head, I'm going to help you with remove that now, because it can be something stress or something you have put on your head in shape of heart energy. Let it go. You need to take light in and shine with your crown. Urti, unkud, arkid, kindu, udusut nut at siara arkinunun. Urti kid at satnara set nimnid ad. Hurti indikiat na satnara set num. Tuerde arti indusur. Kure sen ort kid at fat at chid. Kurd kid at satnat at hit nid im nid nur. Urdi in kurd at satna kid otjur. Kurdi in paka en de kid nudosur. Sikir kurdi in de kid nard. In de kid nard at sat nim nid. Hurdi kid at satna kien urukutsat. Had it here. And I'm going to clean your aura. And it says that diseases starts in the aura, and troubles, it starts like in little energy and grows bigger, and in the end you take it in. But we do not want trouble, disease or anything shitty in our life. So we need to take in so much light we can and flush away all the shit, so we can have a clean aura full of joy and happiness and good health and abundance. So let go whatever you're carrying in your aura. Shurti kit atsa. Kurdi in satna asim. Kurdi in the satna kit uds. Kit arts kin uret ibar kit nut at satna. Kun arhat nid abans. Kurdi in kit at sat nid ar. Kurdi in the kit nut at satna dan tin kud. And you can imagine you have tons of bombs, millions of of light bombs you throw out in your aura, and they explode and take away all the negative energies you may have there. Kurbin, kurd kun har it sikin, kurd it akut nur asat nekin. Kude kiri karsak inda kira kursa kutnat atin kira karakasa kata tikiri tikiri kude kira kata tikiri kira kata tikiri tikiri kiri kara kata tikiri inda karakasa kata tikiri tikiri kira para kata tikiri kiri kara inda tikiri kira kude kara inda tikiri kata tikiri kara jinka tikiri kara tikiri kara inchi kara atsikiri kuchin akat nara satni chin chua chi chu. Wow, I can feel a light energy in my body. Thank you, universe, for that. Now imagine you're standing on a white platform with white light out from the universe, and you ask the 8-8 portal to open and send its most beautiful, abundant light or energies and everything good you need in your life. Just let that portal light flow through you. Take it in all your cells, DNA, organs, body, and out in your aura. And imagine what you want to manifest. Send it out into the portal, those wishes. Hur im och koche. Kum har in som noterar. Kurihid fatnat satnara set nimnid atjer året. Tikir niros. Kurdi idasar. Kunhid fitbat satnara semnid. Kurdi inda katnar set nidem nurut. Kurdi ida kida satnara simtir. Hurdi kia. Kinku hiro kundo sura kira sakenun og farbat nit bin. Kindo kurade indikat sit oro kura kira hirda barde inde sit narasat nidam nuchuro. Kurade ida sudnura tantimti, turti fi papa katsatanina hatser, kur it sit naratsat nemenur. Kur hit fatbad ned, kur hit fitbat nat set nur. Kur sem noj, kur hit kat fatsat nadem tin, kid bar kat nat sed, kid fatnat sat naramentir ed, hurd it satnara set nimnotor og kur, kid porum bara kedam bara satnara kade utsutur kur ed kid har, hurum har het sat kier urv, fit bit bat satnat set nur. Kid nut sut kur otsakin, hurde de beda karta in the sira arkid nudo surquar at it nit sit de kine corso. Kine quarta, kirta karta in the kid hat at sit nudo surum nat chair or kida hat fit bat nat at sit nim need, kura hura hat set nit arasat. That was the light language healing I have for you today, and may you all have a super nice, great day, and bye for now.